Here are 10 things landlords and renters need to know in 2024. As we embark on this new year, it's really paramount for both landlords and tenants. This renters reform bill is making its way through Parliament and is really promising for tenants, and it's expected to be potentially passed into law by the year's end. And it's introducing really crucial reforms that are aimed at enhancing the tenants' protection. And notable provisions include regulations on rent increases and expediting disputes resolution mechanism. Not great for landlords, but really good for tenants. And the second one is delayed Section 21 eviction reform. So this is despite the initial anticipated ban on Section 21 no-fault eviction. It has encountered delays, leaving both tenants and landlords in a state of uncertainty regarding future eviction processes. Number 3 is the prohibition of blanket bans. Now, recently, the renters reform bill made it illegal for landlords and letting agents to enforce blanket bans on tenants receiving benefits or those with children. Now, this aims to promote fairness and combat discrimination in the rental market. Now, number 4 is going to be adherence to new standards. So a property has to meet a certain type of standard before it's going to be able to be rented out. So the landlords are going to be facing a heightened scrutiny with the introduction of decent home standard for the rental market sector. Now, failure to meet these standards is going to result in fines, banning orders, and compensation claims from the affected tenants for substandard living conditions. Number 5 is the escalating rental costs. So the rental prices continue to surge across various regions, placing additional financial strain on tenants already grappling with affordability challenges. Number 6 is the buy-to-let mortgage rates. Now, while there has been a slight decrease in buy-to-let mortgage rates, they remain relatively high, influencing landlords' financial decisions and investment strategies. Number 7 is cancellation of energy reforms. So plans to implement energy efficiency regulations for rented properties have been shelved, alleviating immediate financial burden for landlords, but raising concerns about long-term sustainability and tenants' living conditions. Number 8 is the trend of landlords selling the property. So the ongoing trend of landlords divesting the property, which is being driven by declining profitability and apprehensions regarding forthcoming legislative changes that are taking place in the market. And number 9 is the alterations in capital gains tax. So the landlords selling properties are now facing a reduced tax-free allowances for capital gains, so which is going to be potentially resulting in higher tax liabilities upon property disposal. Number 10 is going to be the delay of making tax digital. So the implementation of making tax digital for self-employed landlords has been postponed by 2 years. This is going to grant additional time for landlords to prepare for compliance with digital record keeping and reporting requirements as well. Now, in navigating these changes, both landlords and tenants must prioritize staying informed and seeking professional guidance as needed to adapt to the evolving rental market landscape. Hope you found that beneficial. Any questions, drop me a comment.